Prevention is key, taking charge of your health. We all want to live long, healthy lives. The best way to do that is to prevent disease before it starts. The secret is taking care of our bodies and minds. We can do this by being mindful through healthy habits. Small changes can make a big difference. Let's explore some simple steps to boost our well-being. Fueling your body, the power of plants. Eating a healthy diet is crucial for preventing disease and living longer. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Plant-based foods are packed with nutrients. They are naturally low in unhealthy fats and cholesterol. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients protect our cells from damage. Whole grains provide fiber, which is important for digestion. Legumes are a great source of protein and fiber. Get moving, our bodies were made to move. The magic of exercise. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of disease prevention. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, at least 3-5 times a week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or dancing. Exercise has numerous benefits for our bodies. Exercise strengthens our heart and lungs, improving cardiovascular health. It helps with weight management and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. These diseases include type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and some types of cancer. Physical activity also boosts our mood and improves sleep. Finding your calm stress management for health. Stress is a normal part of life. However, chronic stress can have negative effects on our health. It weakens our immune system and increases the risk of diseases. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga are effective stress reduction techniques. Make sure to get enough sleep. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Engage in activities you enjoy, such as spending time with loved ones or pursuing hobbies. Make a good choice, prevent disease. If you like this video, please subscribe for more health information.